Welcome to the channel. Here we are ripping out some walnut for some cope and stick cabinet doors. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our little channel here. We have over 40 years of experience in the construction industry, so you might find something useful, or you'll definitely find something pretty damn hilarious. The little chest of drawers you just seen is a prototype for a little apothecary thing we're working on. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure where the sped up voice just came from. I forgot to say, this is some hand-cut dovetails, by the way. Hey, don't be shy. Subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.